You wake up in the morning with a bad hair day, but you really want your hair to be slayed. Go to Queen T, go to Queen T, go to Queen T, go to Queen T. You trying to do your hair, but it's never on fleek. A little help is what you seek. Go to Queen T, go to Queen T. Like, subscribe below. You wake up in the morning feeling like it's your turn. Now you ready to learn. Go to Queen T, go to Queen T.
Hey, it's Queen T and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can become part of my Royal Squad. If you're already part of my Royal Squad, you know the deal. Thank you for continuing to rock with your girl. So today I'm going to be showing you how I reinstall a wig that I had previously installed. So stay tuned.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me.
Okay, so I just finished reinstalling the hair, and what I used to lay the hair down with was my Even Wonder Lace bond in the black can. I really like this stuff. It gives a really good hold. You know, you can get a couple day hold on it if you use a few layers. Now, the wig that I'm wearing actually came from, I believe, Megalux, and it came on a special that I had. It was a buy one get one free, so I will try to find some details on it, but it was a free unit, so I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of detail on it. I did custom color this myself, though. I have with some red dye that I had hanging around the house. So if you'd like to see me do a tutorial on dyeing or washing and revamping a wig, please let me know. I do have one on my channel now, but if you guys would like an updated one, just put that in the comment section below. I will try to find some details on this wig, but I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of detail because, like I said, it was a BOGO, buy one get one free, and like I said, I custom colored it myself. But I hope that this video has been very helpful for someone, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Oh, did I say subscribe? Oh, yeah, subscribe. It's free to click that button, you guys. It doesn't cost you anything to click that button and hit that notification bell so that you can be part of my Royal Squad as well, because you don't want to miss out on anything that I have coming. So, remember, if you don't chase your dreams, you'll never catch your dreams. Until next time, bye.
Like, subscribe below. Like, subscribe below.